everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to read and how to write decimal numbers. Now we know that in a decimal number, we have three parts. One is the whole number part, which is before the decimal point. Here we have the decimal point. And then one part is the fractional part, which is after the decimal point. Now the whole number part follows the international place value chart or the national place value chart when we read it. And decimal point, we call it as and in between. And for fractional part, we follow the decimal place value chart. Now let us learn how to read this number 123.456. So here the whole number part is 123. For decimal point, we say and. 4 is at the 10th position, 5 is at the 100th position, and 6 is at the thousandths position. So how do we say this? This becomes 456 thousandths. We end it with the thousands since 6 is at the thousandths position. So the number becomes 123 and 456 thousandths. Now, again, if we take the number 12.34, now here we say it as 12 and 34 hundredths. 4 is at the hundredths position, so it ends with the hundredths. Now, if we take the number 1.2, this is read as 1 and 2 tenths. Now, let us take one more example. If I say 37.456, so it becomes 37 and 456 thousandths. Again, if we take, say, number 538.42. So this becomes 538 and 42 hundredths. So this is how we read decimal numbers.